What's up? It's Keith Kalfas. Happy New Year. It's 2020. And in this video, I'm going to share what I'm doing to write down all of my goals in a strategic way and share it with you. I've gotten a lot of questions like, how do you actually write down your goals? This is incredibly important. It really is. And so I've got these poster boards. I went to the dollar store a little bit ago today, and I have 12 of them. So we're going to write down all of our goals on big physical project boards and stick them all over the walls. Now, you might be asking, why in the heck would I do that when I could just use an app on my phone? And there are plenty of to-do lists and apps on your phone, like Wunderlist. I use that. That's great. There's tons of to-do lists. But it's very easy to get distracted by, looking at Instagram and all that stuff. And to me, it's starting to piss me off because I go to do something intentional and then end up looking at something on Instagram, right? So time is valuable. So I'm going to show you how to do this in this video very succinctly. And I have to give credit where credit's due before I show you this. Hashtag HPX, Brendon Burchard. I'm a monthly student member of his coaching program. He's a very successful dude. He's awesome, right? And so he gave me this idea. He didn't invent this idea either, but he gave me the idea, so I have to give him credit. But anyways, so I got 12 of these. I spent $16 at the dollar store. Why? Because there's 12 months in the year. So we're going to get these permanent markers. I spent, went to the dollar store. Got sticky notes, all this stuff, 16 bucks, right? And I'm going to draw crosses because there's 4 weeks in each month. So 12 of these across 6 and 6 is going to equal 12. And if everyone has 4 boxes, that's going to be 48 weeks in the year. We're going to map out the entire year intentionally, right? And take all these sticky notes that are color-coded and to-do lists that are all in columns, which is really cool, and a lot of that stuff gets done. But the problem with it is that it's not flipped on its side and put on a linear timeline. So it can be practical, strategical, and done in the real world. And the next problem is, well, it's pretty cool, actually. In your mind, you can imagine all of your life's greatest hopes and dreams, as well as all of your worst nightmares, in 10 seconds. And that can really get you caught up and frustrated. I know in my mid-20s, I was extremely frustrated. I couldn't get anything accomplished because I wanted to do so many things that I was just paralyzed. And it was really hard to say no to all these things I wanted to do, to say yes to what I needed to do, right? Can you feel me? Oh, what is this? Look at this. Hashtag Daily Hustle. Chants Daily Hustle sent me this beautiful, crispy, white t-shirt. Look at this. It's even got the American flag on it. From his Daily Hustle store, he sent a black t-shirt to the wife of Chant as well. And look at this. Look at this. Oh, he sent me a couple Bobcat mower hats. Oh my God, I've been looking like LL Cool J up in here. Remember LL Cool J? I guess we should get some diamond earrings. He's like, remember? So anyways, so here's what I want you to do if you want and you need help with this. You got to get everything out of your head and down on paper. It's really cool to have it in front of you, physical, in the physical realm, right? Because if you're like me, I really suffer from ADD. And when you walk past it every day and you actually can stand in front of it and see it, and it's not buried behind a bunch of digital screens, then you can see the projects and things that you want to accomplish in 2020. Okay. So to recap, I'm spending the evening every New Year. I'll spend 2 days straight going through all of my goals and my dreams and everything I want to accomplish. And oh yeah, I want to show you this too. So I went to Five Below sketch pad. This is just an artist's sketch pad, right? $5. And I'll just like sit on the couch sometimes. Got one of these laptop soft pads. You know, you can sit down and put a laptop on it. And I'll just sit down, wake up in the morning and just brainstorm and come up with like these crazy marketing plans and funnels and think about things in my business. And you know, I got QuickBooks, I use Jobber, I've got software programs, spreadsheets, all that stuff is really cool. And to me, there's something really cool about taking a calculator out and literally just going through it all. And because our brains think in symbols and symbology and esoteric things. So this might help you. Let me know in the comments below. Like I'll go and I'll draw like triangles and patterns and like a pyramid and crazy stuff, and that'll help my brain logically get what's out of my head and out of the subconscious onto paper. And I've watched this literally change my life. So this is all out of the head. You can use a mind map program called Mindly. I'm trying to cram a lot into a short video, but 12 of these are going on the wall. The most important thing, 90-day sprints. Every 90 days equals a quarter. There's 4 quarters in a year, right? Yeah. At the end of every 90 days, 1 week off. Vacation. If you don't want to go to Hawaii or go to somewhere, a staycation. Sleep in, watch Netflix, eat popcorn, hang out with the family, take long walks in the woods, go for a mountain bike ride, go jogging, go to the beach. Enjoy your life. When you allow yourself to just unplug once every 90 days and take a vacation or a staycation, and you reward yourself and recharge your batteries, then when you drop into the next 90-day sprint, then you can help avoid absolute burnout. Now, if you're in the green industry like I am, it's very hard in the high season. What is she doing?
She's going psycho because of Ninja.
Where's Ninja?
In the living and laundry room.
Grace, my little dog.
No. 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 No.
Now, 90-day sprints. So, planning that out in advance. Vacation, 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 family time, Christmas. Block out all the realistic days that are really actually going to happen, including thinking about all the things that you can't control that are going to happen. When you see that all, you get really, really realistic about how little a year actually is. So if we raise our necessity in paying attention to how short a year actually is, instead of getting out of this delusional space where because the brain is like, we're quantum, right? But time is linear. We get in this thing where time's passing by. We can't really grasp it and conceptualize it, except for looking at how it went. And it's like, it's this weird thing. But for some reason, when you lay it down on a timeline and you put it all right in front of you and you can see it, you go, oh my God, a year is not a long time, right? And I'm a little angry about, there's some really cool stuff on Twitter. I mean, Instagram, sorry. I didn't even want to look at it. But it doesn't do anything for our lives, and we don't want to end up in regret. So that's the end of this video. Let me know if you're going to try it. Let me know if there's any programs that you use to map out all your goals. Do you use a spreadsheet? Do you use an app? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to spend the evening writing down all my goals, going through all my finances, putting these war boards up for the year, spending the whole evening doing this, and I'm really, really, really excited about it. This is going to be the best year ever. Namaste. 2020 dog. Yeah. Yeah.